Hey guys, this is Japan Monster Channel. I'm Yucho. Today, I'm going to talk about the useful informations for open the bank in Japan. When you open the bank in Japan, you need to understand the explanation and fill in the documents in Japanese. That's a pretty challenge for non-Japanese speakers. I will tell you the necessary information and that you should be understand and prepare related to the banking. But if you go visit big bank office, there might be people who speak English as well. When opening a bank account, you will need to prepare 4 things. 1. Identity verification documents. Residence card within the expiration date is good enough for identification. If you don't have it, you need to show a special permanent resident certificate or health insurance card or passport or driver's license. As supplementary documents, student ID, employee ID might be required. Number 2. Items that can prove your current address. You will need to submit documents that prove that you are living at the address you are submitting. For example, invoices for electricity, water, and telephone charges. If you have residence card with the address, that's good enough for the identification. Number 3 is a seal. You will be asked to seal. Foreigners often have a culture that requires signing and may not have a seal, so please check in advance before the contract. It can be made in Japan, like shachihata and rubber seal cannot be used. There are some places where you can open bank account with just a sign instead of seal. Number 4 is a contactable phone number. The number can also be used on a mobile phone. If you do not confirm the number, you may not be able to open the bank. At bank, you can make a cash card by opening an account. If you have a cash card, you can withdraw money and deposit money, transfer money, and check balances, things like that. At an ATM, automated teller machine, some cash cards have a credit function. Interest rate vary depending on the type of bank and account. So when opening an account, choose the one that suits you best. Opening hours of bank is weekdays for 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. This opening hour is decided by the law. Some ATM screen displays are in Japanese only, while others can be switched to a foreign language. In addition to banks, ATMs are also located at convenience stores and train stations. There is a fee depending on the time you withdraw the money. You can also use ATMs at banks that do not have your own account, but you will still be charged a fee. For international remittance, fill out the foreign remittance application form and ask for remittance. There is a fee for both the sender and the receiver. The graph is survey of which bank account does foreigners who living in Japan have. The data is from Euro Japan. The first place is Yucho ginko, the Japan Post Bank. As this bank is conditions for opening a bank account is low, so over 50% of people are using this. The second place is Mitsubishi UFJ ginko, the MUFG bank. This bank is the biggest bank in Japan, so it has a name value. I will introduce the details of these two banks. Japan Post Bank, Yucho ginko, located in post office. When opening an account at the post office, you will need to show the residence cards that saying approve your period of stay is more than 3 months. Foreigners who do not have the custom of stamping can be opening an account by just a sign. The total amount that one person can deposit in a postal saving is up to 13 million yen. There are two types of international remittance at post office: address remittance and account remittance. However, some post offices do not handle international money transfers. Also, please note that some countries may not be able to send money. If you stay in Japan for less than 6 months, you will not be able to make overseas remittance or deposits. Overseas remittance fee is cost like 2,000 yen. It is very cheap compared with other banks. MUFG Bank, Mitsubishi UFJ ginko. Mitsubishi UFJ ginko is the Japanese biggest bank, so there are ATMs and branches everywhere in Japan. Top class in reliability and stability. You can also apply for internet banking. You can transfer money for 24 hours. You will need to show the residence card when opening an account, and no seal is required. Both physical stores and online banking can be used. You may not be able to open an account outside of your home, school or store. Near your place of employment is able to open the bank account. Overseas remittance fee is from 3,500 to 4,000 yen. Plus that 0.05% of the remittance amount will be charged. That's an average amount of overseas remittance fee in Japan. For summary, I hope today's video will help for opening the bank account in Japan. If you're planning to stay for less than 6 months, it's hard to open the bank account. Same as people who do not have the contact number, either phone number or mobile number, you cannot open the account. And most of the time requires a seal for making a contract. and Yucho ginko and is the most lowest condition for open the bank in Japan. Today's Japanese vocabulary that I want you to remember is ginko. Ginko, which is means bank in Japanese. Yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the contents, please press like, and if you want to know more about Japan, please press subscribe button. And also leave some comments. I will talk to you soon. Bye.